Good morning, cyclists. Today is Wednesday, September 13th, 2023. Today's bike's going to be the Cervella Caledonia. Getting a later start. It's, let's see here, right now it's 40 minutes after 11. Yesterday was carpenter day. Today was refrigerator repairman day. So I waited for the repairman to come. Actually showed up a little earlier than scheduled. And didn't take long for him to diagnose the problem. Now all I got to do is wait for the part to come in. Weather today, it's 88 degrees. Humidity is 55%, 56%, something like that. And the dew point is 69, I think. Wind is out of the west at 10 miles an hour. Let's ride. Official start time, 41 minutes after 11. Yesterday I received my replacement GoPro 10. Hero 10 back. That's what I'm using today. I think I got all the settings correct. Today's route, because of the late start, I'm going to take a shorter ride to, I'm going to go Spring Creek Greenway, check out the Greenway construction just west of Jesse Jones Park, so that'll be my turnaround point. First time to the Greenway this month. Not as long a ride there as I usually take on the Greenway. On the way back, I'll ride the San Jacinto Bayou Greenway. I think this will probably be about 25 miles. Riding beside West Lake Houston Parkway, headed north. This morning, while I was waiting on the repairman to arrive, I watched a bike race from Tuscany in Italy. One-day race. Then moved over to stage 17 of the Vuelta a España. Mountaintop finish. Up the Angliru. Riding on the Greenbelt Trail. Riding back into Woodridge Forest from the west side after riding west on Adams Street. Make my way through Woodridge Forest to North Park Drive, where I'll cross over into North Woodland Hills, then on to South Woodland Hills. .7 miles, 18 minutes after 12. There is a possibility of late afternoon, early evening showers. Should be back home before those become a problem, if they even come up. Headed south on Chestnut Ridge Road, entering into Fourth Cove. On my way to Hamlin Road, I'm going to turn right at Southern Hill Road. This will take me to Laurel Springs Lane, and then on to Hamlin Road. 12.2 miles so far. 40 minutes after 12. Ride may be a little longer than I guesstimated. distance-wise. Laurel Springs Lane at the stop sign. Turn left. Riding down the hill on Laurel Springs Drive to Hamblin Road. 22 miles an hour. $13.6 miles times 12:45. I'll turn right on Hamblin Road, go across the railroad tracks, and then make a left to go underneath US 59 and then up onto the Bevel-Gerald Bridge. Cross over the river to get to the trailhead. I'm riding on the Bevel-Gerald Memorial Bridge, riding south. Takes me over the San Jacinto River. Go down the other side, underneath US 59. Takes me to the trailhead, Spring Creek Greenway. $14.5 miles, 50 minutes after 12. Approaching the trailhead. Only one vehicle here. Ford pickup. Okay. 14.9 miles times 52 minutes after 12. Don't know if I'll see many people here. Being afternoon and potentially the Greenway closed west of Jesse Jones Park. Another cyclist. Didn't expect to see anybody. First bridge on the Greenway, Spring Creek Greenway. Water's down. Approaching the intersection with the Greenway where it comes from Jesse Jones parking lot. I'm going to turn left, as usual. I'll ride up the bridge on the way back. 16.8 miles. 1 minute after 1. Jesse Jones parking lot. Not a lot of people here, but some. If I turn right, that would take me up the bridge. And I'm going to go left. On to the Greenway. 17.8 miles. 5 minutes after 1. On the west side of Jesse Jones Park. Coming up to the entrance. Looks like we got a sign that says something. Probably about the trail being closed, Greenway being closed. It says closed. Monday, August 28th, the Spring Creek Greenway Equestrian trail at the west side of Jones Park will be closed until further notice. This is due to flood control repairs. Okay. This is the closure at the west side of Jesse Jones Park. There's an excavator working. Not sure exactly how much work they have left to do, but looks like the excavator is fine-tuning the drain there. They would have been another, oh, I don't know, 50 feet this way. The entrance from, I don't know if that's Kinswick or off to the side, would have been far enough past to get around it. I'm at 19.3 miles and the time's 13 minutes after 1. So we'll be turning around, but it does confirm that the greenway is still closed. Well, I'll see this sign over here on the other side. It says trail closed for repair from August 28th to September 18th, 2023. So we got, today's the 13th, so it's about 5 more days. That would be, the 18th would be next Monday. Show a little more work. Excavator's moving around. I think he's doing finishing work. So that's encouraging. That's the bridge I rode up. The gentleman's jogging up. For some reason or another, the GoPro decided it didn't want to turn on. But I got it fixed now, I think. Getting close to the trailhead, about 4/10 of a mile. Looks like this gentleman's been fishing. Approaching the trailhead, just around the trees on the left, coming up. .0 miles, time's 40 minutes after 1. Oh, looks like we got more vehicles than when I entered. Five versus 1 vehicle. Under the Bevel Gerald Bridge. The up ramp to the bridge. Onto the bridge. Riding east on Hamlin Road, back over the railroad tracks. Headed to the entrance for the San Jacinto Bayou Greenway. 24.1 miles. .47 minutes after 1. This is the entrance to the San Jacinto Bayou Greenway from Hamlin Road. If you're watching the videos, you've seen this several times. A little bumpy at the start, but then it gets better up here at the concrete. San Jacinto Bayou Greenway. Riding towards Marina Drive. Forest Cove Pool Community Center is on Marina Drive. Just ahead is Marina Drive, 24.9 miles, 51 minutes after 1. Looks like they got some workers here or doing something. Oh, Lake Houston Lawn Care. Turning right onto Sunrise Trail. From the San Jacinto Bayou Greenway, right on the bike route to the next section of the San Jacinto Bayou Greenway. 25.6 miles, 1:54 p.m. Turning right on a North Shore Drive from San Jacinto Bayou Greenway. 26.1 miles. On the way to Woodland Hills Drive in Kingwood. About to enter the last section San Jacinto Bayou Greenway. It takes me to Woodland Hills Drive. And River Grove Park. 26.7 miles. Woodland Hills Drive coming up. Turning left. Nearing the end of the ride, just a few hundred feet on the green belt. Well, and then I'll turn onto the street up ahead to the left. Hi. All right.